we are going to take you through exercise 2 of the listening part of the IGCSE ESL Extended Counting Speaking Cambridge exam. So, Cambridge IGCSE is one of the most popular qualifications in the world, which is usually taken by 14 to 16-year-olds and evaluates the 4 main skills of language competence. The extended version consists in 3 parts: reading and writing, listening and speaking, which is also counted in our exam. For this video we are going to focus on the listening part.
For someone, listening is arguably the most difficult part of the exam. But how does it work? So, it is quite easy. An audio is played, and you have to select the right answer or fill in the gaps on the paper you are given. A lot of the problems people find are caused by the bad audio quality, but at the beginning of the exam you can actually ask the examiner to increase or decrease the volume, so that you can hear better. In the introduction, we told you we were going to concentrate on exercise 2, and here we are. Exercise 2 counts for 8 marks over the 40 total marks of listening exam, and consists in filling the gaps of a text while listening to a person talking about a specific topic. It is important to remember that you will hear the talk twice.
The first thing I'm suggesting is to write clearly at your best, so that there won't be any difficulties to correct your test. Here are 2 examples. The first one is good, the second one isn't. It is also useful to know how to cross wrong things, or things that should be corrected. You should cross with a single line and not an abstract drawing like this.
To help you, we decided to give some important tips for you to be successful at the exam.
First of all, you should try to manage your time well and make the most of it.
To help you, you should divide your time into 3 stages. Stage 1 is the 45 seconds you are given to look at the text. In this part, you should try to briefly read the text and divide it in some paragraphs by formation to make it easier for your mind to understand. The second stage is when you listen the audio the first time. In this period of time, you should fill in as many gaps as possible. Also, remember to move on to the next gap once you've filled one. If you are in doubt between 2 words for a gap, write them both with a slash between them. During the second time you hear the talk, check your answers and choose between the ones you were in doubt, crossing out the wrong one.
For the first of the 2 tips, you are going to identify the relevant information. If, for example, you understand that there has to be the name of a place in the gap, then relevant information will be about places. You then have to identify the structures and exclude them. There may be 2 places named, but if in the gap you have to put the person's favorite, you'll have to understand which place it is. And what do I mean by using your grammar knowledge? If there is a gap to be filled using your grammar knowledge, you can understand if the word needs to be a verb or a noun.
So, we can now summarize our tips.
The first one is to write clearly. The second one is to make the most of time. The third one is to select the right information and avoid the distractors. The fourth one is to use your grammar knowledge.
To make the best exam you can, also try to be relaxed and arrive prepared, so that you can concentrate better.
We got to the end of this video.
We hope you liked it and that it was useful.
Bye!